Hello and welcome to the Natural History of East Africa Study Tour 2021, the University of Arkansas's tour to Tanzania. I'm Dr. Peter Unger of the Department of Anthropology, and I co-lead this trip along with Dr. Jeremy Beaulieu of the Department of Biology. We take students every year to East Africa to learn biology, anthropology, and geology, all in the most incredible backdrop in the world, the Great African Rift Valley. We start with a visit to the Hadza, the last remaining hunter-gatherers in Africa. We then stop off at Olduvai Gorge and see fossils and stone tools weathering out of the ground at this most important fossil human evolution site in the world. Then we safari across the Serengeti during the great wildebeest migrations. Trek Gombe National Park, the forest that Jane Goodall spent so many years in studying chimpanzees. And finally, end the trip snorkeling on the coral reefs in the Indian Ocean near the island of Zanzibar. This is a STEM-focused study tour worth a total of 6 credit hours in anthropology and biology. It is 6 days in the classroom and 19 on the trip between roughly May 10th and June 4th of 2021. We begin with a study of the Hadza and the Datoga peoples of Tanzania. This is the cultural part of this tour. We're welcomed into the homes of the Datoga pastoralists. We learn a bit about their lifestyle and how they herd cattle. And then we go on a hunt and learn how to make fire with the Hadza, again, the last remaining hunter-gatherers in Africa. It's a truly special and unique experience. And again, the anthropological element of this tour. We then head on to the Ngorongoro Crater, where we begin our animal safari proper. The Ngorongoro Crater is amazing. It's this giant enclosed ecosystem, the largest enclosed dry land volcanic crater in the world, the highest concentration of lions in the world, hyenas, elephants, flamingos, all kinds of wonderful creatures to see in the crater. Then we head on to Olduvai Gorge, the most important fossil human evolution site that we have. 2 really important species, Homo habilis and Paranthropus boisei, were first discovered at Olduvai Gorge. The gorge spans 2 million years, and you can see stone tools and animal bones eroding out of the ground. We learn about them. We walk through the gorge, and you can actually pick up these remains of our distant ancestors from nearly 2 million years ago. Then we head off to the Great Serengeti. The animals in the Serengeti are second to none. This is the great endless plains, endless grasslands with elephants and hippos, lions, and of course the wildebeests. The great wildebeest migration has 1.5 million animals following the rains across East Africa. It's called the greatest natural show on earth, and you'll get to experience it from the roof of a safari vehicle. From there, we head to Gombe National Park, again, where Jane Goodall did her research so many years ago. We actually see the same chimpanzees that she studied and their kids and their grandkids, all on the shores of the Great Lake Tanganyika. Once you've seen a chimpanzee in the wild, our nearest living relative, you're changed forever. It's an incredible experience to walk through the forests at Gombe. And we end the trip on Zanzibar, the Spice Island. We snorkel the coral reefs that fringe the island, see the effects of global warming, and catch the most amazing natural show at night, the great Milky Way with all its glory. Well, that's our study tour. Hope that you'll consider it. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact Dr. Jeremy Beaulieu at this email address or me at the email address above. Thank you.